Welcome back to another crypto farm video where today we're going to be talking about a really cool project. Now, I found this online. I'm very interested in the business and economic side of things, which is what I'm studying as well. But the most important part is that this is the first decentralized venture capital fund, right? So it's funded with NFT, it's community governed, and you can get investments and airdrops and earn dividends from being a part of the project. So you can join the board of directors by joining these guys on their Discord. They have a lot of interesting social media, so we will be covering the full website where, as you can see, dividends are paid in Ethereum. And obviously they do have a nice Instagram. They're still relatively new when it comes to Instagram, but definitely do recommend giving them a follow because they are doing a lot of interesting stuff. So you can see the Ambassadors League. So right here, you can join Discord to play the hottest game in the NFT marketplace. And, you can win 10 of these guys valued at $3,600. So it's just a really cool concept. Now, these guys have a lot of different stuff. The characters have different job positions. Dividends and profits are paid in Ethereum. You can become a venture capitalist with VVX, community vote, and they decide on investments, marketing, and administrations in the project itself. So really cool. I just joined the Discord right now, so I'm going to open it in the browser to show you a little bit more about these guys. Now, while this is actually loading, I'm going to go through the website just a little bit. So a few things that I do like to cover when covering every single project are obviously the website and the white paper for all of the projects that have it. And now every single project that actually has the white paper is way more important than the ones without it because they're more serious. So you can see a very nice collection of information on Gitbook right here about what exactly Venture VX is. So we're going to cover that as well. Now the Discord has actually loaded. I joined the beautiful Discord page. So you have all of the announcements here. Obviously 7 days to the limited premium drop. So this was a few days back. The premium drop prices will be listed. The price will be 0.08, 0.06, 0.04. So it all depends on what you actually mint. So you have the VP Howard, you have the Senior Hank, and you have the Junior Joe. It's very interesting stuff. We're going to be discussing it on the website right now. But a lot of other interesting stuff on the actual website. So you do have the giveaways that are happening. You do have the whitelist spots that you can receive. I mean, you have your level checks, you have your invite tracker, and obviously you have sneak peeks of a lot of these cool VC managers, right? So really cool designs. I mean, I guess it's just a guy with that looks like he just came straight out of Wall Street or the Rastafari, or I don't even know. This guy looks like an old Superman. This guy looks like an army general with an Ethereum cap. This is the obviously the first venture capital in the metaverse funded only by NFTs. So it's a really cool project, and it's definitely something I will be following into the near future. So I'm going to give them a follow on their Twitter. I'm going to give them a follow on their Discord, and let's move straight on. Weekly dividends, very important. By the way, the mint or the reservation of your board seat is happening in 3 days and 8 hours from now. So stay tuned for that. And obviously they have weekly dividends, so you can enjoy your weekly dividend airdrop deposited to your wallet in Ethereum with no gas fees. Powered by NFT, so the first venture capital in the metaverse funded only by NFTs. Community managed, so the community votes and decides on investments, marketing, and administrations. Now, here's the thing. You can get a Junior Joe, right, where the relative dividend rewards are, 1, voting power is 1, and the only authority you have is vote. So Junior Joe started his position at Venture VX only a year ago. He initiates communication with new crypto projects to inspect potential investments. Senior Hank, where the relative dividend rewards are 1.5 and voting power is 3, he has authority to do due diligence on NFT projects and vote as well. He is part of the board of directors, and Senior Hank is the manager of the junior team. He doesn't lead investments, but attends board meetings and investment events. Now there is VP Howard. So the relative dividend rewards are 2.5 and the voting power is 5, where the authority is, calculating the budget, future investments, managing all of the meetings, and participating in the votes. VP Howard is a manager at Venture VX investment team and board. He leads the board meetings and makes the final decision whether to invest or not. Now, the reptilians have ultimate power when it comes to everything. They have authority to create sponsored deals, lead mergers, takeovers, and vote as well. And obviously a part of the board of directors as well. So these guys are the founders, owners, and legal partners at Venture VX. They're the blood-drinking, flesh-eating, shape-shifting, extraterrestrial, reptilian humanoids. So that's the reptilians. So essentially, you can become a venture capitalist and leverage the financial power of the NFT marketplace. The whitelist is open. You can go ahead and register on Discord, and some of the actual upcoming events that are really, really cool. 3rd January, first DIO meeting. So that determines the values to be promoted, goals, and policies. It was open for everyone, and it's already passed. Now, 12th of January, that's the investment strategy and the vote. So DAO decides on utilizing 30% of the capital deposited in the treasury, and obviously the community will or did choose what happened right there. Now, 19th of January is when the actual drop is happening, so holders will be hired as the first board of directors right there. And the 21st January, the first board meeting is coming up. So rank +2 obviously is going to be closed meeting for only the higher ranking members. Now, a few frequently asked questions before we end today's video. Now, I do recommend you read these guys' white paper. I'm not going to go through everything in too much detail because I don't want to waste too much of your time, but it's definitely something very worth reading, right? So you have everything about what is Venture VX, you have everything about the actual NFT collection itself, about the dividend rewards, about the VX fund itself. So it's very intuitive, very easy, and it makes complete sense, right? Definitely recommend checking that out. Now you have a few frequently asked questions right here. How do you actually become a VC partner, being one of the more important ones? Well, the holders of the NFT collection are actually partners of the VVX fund. So there's no additional entry fees required to join the fund and enjoy the rewards. You can join the Discord to take part at the board meeting and votes. It's very, very simple. All you need to do is join the Discord and take part in the votes. Now, why do you get a high rank NFT? Well, when you hold a high rank NFT, you get more dividend airdropped, you get more voting power and authorities, and an entry ticket to the board of directors. It's unlimited for top executives. So to get a better understanding of ranks and characters, check the white paper, and this is what we're going to do because this is very important. So you have the hierarchy, you have the partners or the reptilians, that's if you're a big boss. You have the principals or VP Howard, you have the seniors or Senior Hank, and juniors, Junior Joe. Very, very simple triangle formation. So that's it when it comes to today's video. I do recommend you guys give these guys a follow on all of their socials. Really, really cool project. And lastly, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below with your favorite parts about this project. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything you do invest into crypto, blockchain, or NFT projects is on your own liability, and you should do your own due diligence. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.